Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this and everything else, I'm showing y'all the behind the scenes of my photo shoot. Unfortunately, well, that's kind of weird. Unfortunately, I can't show y'all too much in the moment because I'm here on my camera here and I'm taking the camera to take the pictures. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna bring you guys along on this entire process of me launching my new Fearless collection. So here's one of my classics. I love it. So much inventory that you guys cannot see, but I'm going to show you. So my best-selling shirt, I always say this, but it actually is best-selling. I promise it is, because it keeps selling out. And I got 30 more in stock. And then I also got some joggers. So I have some joggers. Y'all, excuse me, we're trying to lose this weight, y'all, okay? But I got some joggers in 4 different colors. So I got some charcoal. We got some hot pink. We got some navy. And we got some black, which looks just like the navy. So child, I mean, we just got the 4 colors, okay? So you guys know Fearless as my t-shirts and things like that, but Fearless, like I've been saying since February, is so much more than just a t-shirt brand. It's a lifestyle brand about living and having faith over fear and just living a bold lifestyle, not being afraid to be who you are. Like, I'm not afraid to be fearless. I'm not afraid to be bold. I'm not afraid to be cute, okay? So I'm bringing in some Fearless pieces, you guys, and this is just all a part of Fearless. So look at these cute pants, y'all. So these are some really cute pants. They fit so good, and so I can even wear it with this shirt. I think I'm gonna put these on right now. I'm doing my photo shoot, so I think I'm gonna put these on right now. But I got some pieces that I really want to stand out. So my thing is, we have Fearless, the shirts, and then we stand out with bold other pieces. You guys, I have so much stuff. I have such a cute lounge set. I'll put a picture here. Okay, a cute lounge set. I'm trying to follow this color scheme of jewel tones. One thing that I did though, that I made a huge mistake. Okay, so if you guys don't know, when you're buying wholesale inventory, you have distributors and you have manufacturers. So manufacturers are the ones who are like buying and creating and making these materials. The distributor can be a company that is like the middleman. Like, they go and get stuff from the manufacturers and they sell it for like a higher price. So you want to make sure that you buy from manufacturers and not distributors. I actually made a mistake and purchased from a distributor, and I actually didn't even know that it was a distributor. I have bought from them before and I did not realize that they were a distributor until like I got my packaging and the thing said distributor. So let me check this stuff, and you know it's a distributor when everything is not from that vendor. So for instance, this says Love and Harmony. So do your research and you can check to see if one is a distributor or a manufacturer. On Fashion Go, that's who I use. When you look in the contact details for the vendor, it will literally say, but I just didn't realize. I didn't do my due diligence. So don't be like me. Do your due diligence, okay? So I got lots of cute stuff. They're from all over. Everything was pretty good price. You know what? A lot of the stuff that I bought, I realized it was a distributor when I realized that the stuff that I bought, a lot of it is from Favelux. High five. Favelux. Y'all know them. They're really popular. So for instance, I got this cutie jumpsuit. You guys, when you're buying your inventory, be strategic, be patient, be watchful, and don't just buy things because they're cute. Buy things because they match a collection, a theme, and or your target audience. So anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna finish my photo shoot, y'all. It is like 6:30 right now. I am so behind schedule. My battery had died, so I had to like take off like an hour, but I ate and now my battery is charged. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my shoot, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Okay, bye bosses. welcome back to my channel. So okay, it's Sunday now. I'm on the floor right here strategizing for my next collection. And so the way that I'm strategizing really is determining first, like, what are my prices going to be. So I wrote down every style that I have coming in stock, that just came in stock, writing down how much it cost me to purchase it, doing my calculations to figure out how much I'm going to sell it for. I have a whole video on pricing. I'll link it down below. And then I'm also determining, I just determined what I'm going to release when, what items will I release at the same time on the same day, and then what items will I release later on, days later, but still together. So basically I came up with 2 different collections. I like to do things in collections, like to make the things that I'm selling make some type of sense to my target audience and words that they would appreciate and want to like shop with. That way they can buy multiple things at once and they're excited to buy different things. And for me, it's important because, you guys, if you don't know, my Fearless clothing collection was just t-shirts, and we're at the point now where I'm buying a lot of t-shirts at once, 30 to 50 pieces. They sell out and then I have to wait for them to come back in. And I wanted just to add some spice to my store. And I talk about this all the time, and I just want to say, like, when I had the vision to start a boutique 2 years ago, this was the vision that I had, but it just takes some time to really make the things come from your mind to actuality, to real life. So I'm literally now finally doing the things that I wanted to do. I'm giving my business more meaning. And so with that, the Fearless collection is expanding past just t-shirts into Fearless bold pieces. You guys will see it come together as I post about it more. But what's important for me is to make sure, because I got a variety of loungewear, because everybody's in the house right now for quarantine. I got a mixture of loungewear. I'll try to pop up some pictures here if I can. And I got a mixture of cute pieces, but because I want to really showcase the fact that this is a bold clothing line of like fun pieces, I have to come out with those things first. So the loungewear is going to come later. Long story short, the moral of this, I guess, clip is just to let you guys know that I'm putting things into collections. It's going to make it easiest to market. And also I am staggering when I release my items. If you get a lot of inventory, and I didn't even get that much, I got 6 different styles, but like my sweatpants that I got some loungewear, I got 4 different colors. And then my Fearless t-shirt, I have like 4 different styles of that, hoodie, crew neck, different colors, etc. So that's really like within itself a lot of different things. Then I got a set, these pair of pants, I got another top and 2 jumpsuits. And so I got quite a good amount of pieces. And so I'm not going to put everything up there at one time, because you want to constantly give your audience something to come back to look for. So I'm going to release my bold, Fearless and Bold collection first in a couple of days. I'm going to give it a few days to marinate with my audience, to send out email, to do all of the proper promotion and all of that. And then a few days later, I'll put out my No Fear and Chill set or collection, which is going to be like my loungewear. I have some lounge pieces, some sweatpants, some crew necks, some hoodies, things of that sort. So still cute stuff, don't get me wrong, very cute stuff. Oh, so cute, girl. So yeah, I'm excited, and it's gonna be so exciting. So if you're new to my channel and new to this Fearless lifestyle, honey, check out my previous videos on behind the scenes of my clothing brand. I go a little bit more into detail there. But yeah, that's everything as far as inventory goes. So hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along all week, all month, the rest of May, as I do all of this. But I want to give you guys bite-sized pieces. Y'all can watch the vlog and then come back for the next one for more updates and things like that. So I think the next video I'll show you guys me doing marketing and getting prepared for my website and things like that as I put out my new collection. So that is all for today. Thank you guys for coming by to my channel. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, bosses.